Happy birthday, Jialin. 30th birthday in Catalina.
Oh, thanks. Hi. Hi.
Talk to you, Jenny. Hi, crew. Hi. Hi.
Megan, that fabulous picture. Check it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, guys.
Oh, wow.
Bring it. Oh.
Go proud. We'll forever remember this moment.
Pretty underwhelmed. No.
You cannot touch my yo-yo. You have to buy your own yo-yo.
Ooh,
Oh no. We just got back from sea kayaking and we're getting ready to go to dinner. Yay!
Yay!
We just finished playing board games. Yeah! 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 Go play mini golf. Here's our balcony. Ah! Nope.
Megan, how many?
And here it comes back again. 2. Third stroke.
3.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Woo. Went in the hole. Number 2. Coming back 2 strokes down. There you go, Megan. 3.
All right.
Oh, it almost Mario Kart jumped a wall.
Made it through the first one.
Oh, can I do that?
Yeah, go for it.
But I guess.
1.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, stop skipping it.
So close. Oh, almost.
Charles and I have the same material pants.
Hello.
Hi, we made it.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Tara.
Hi, Tara.
Oh, hey.
It's our Seattle adventure.
Seattle, Vancouver.
Public market. Hi.
Hi.
Piroshki. Everybody. Hi.
It's a tub of cheese.
I've never actually seen them as real plants.
Yeah. Take a picture. Add it to Pinterest.
Real. It.
They'll be back in an hour.
Cinnabon. Fat cat donut. The original Starbucks sign. Huge. Cheese store. Tara's in line getting mac and cheese.
We buy this all the time. They actually have this in the airport, so if you want a sandwich or something, we always go really far enough.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Eat it.
That's really close. Camera's very close to my face.
I got a boozy float. This is a custom ginger beer location. Guava Moscow Mule.
Yeah.
Dole Whip
Cheese.
boozy
That's good.
thingy. Other alcohol thing. And then
Mango.
Tara the DD. Huh?
Have someone give it a better camera.
Selfie.
Thank you. Biscuits in action.
Biscuits in action. point to what you drew. Drew it.
He just drew an X.
It's a star.
I kept taking the wrong turn.
So that's the ferry Miles takes to come to us. So he lives way the fuck out there.
He lives on the island? It's not an island.
Oh, gum.
There used to be a gumball machine here.
Gumball. Penguin favorite.
Did you bring what's your
No, I don't need any more penguins.
No more penguins. No penguin.
I already got two.
We're at Georgetown Brewery where you get free drinks. They don't sell pints, you can only buy growlers.
Like 5+.
Look at these amazing rims on this truck. Not even stolen. And we're just walking back to our car. Park's down there. All the way to here, these bars. Gonna see Jialin's uncle for dinner at this restaurant.
Salty fish.
Spicy fish, pork, belly, some other cheese.
I don't right now, sorry.
Getting ready to go to Vancouver. Had all our donuts. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jialin's ready.
Oh, watch out, buddy.
Sorry. But yeah, we took our all boys picture. All boys car. Look at all these people taking pictures. That'll be great.
I just took a DNA test.
Boys car. Boys car. Hey. Go Canada. Shitty girls car.
That's the guy.
Talking about procreating.
Careful.
Border post.
Hit you up in the
Canada.
Canada.
I gave it a grace when she spilled something.
Oh, I saw that. Great. No wonder I was getting so heated.
Oh, here, keep it.
Hi.
Hi, I came to visit.
Hi, corn chip lady.
Yeah, I'm a corn chip lady. There's like turtle corn.
No, they're
There's
both
corn
sweet.
soup.
Corn soup.
I almost said turtle corn
It's
soup.
like corn soup.
Don't eat it.
How do you like it? How do you like it?
It's a little sweet.
Yeah. He would definitely way before that.
Are we saying manual brewing or regular?
Make my own boomer.
Pork ones have priority on these two. We can always order more, but let's give them priority.
More pork. That's chicken. Rice. Crab. You can go get it. Oh, so many shelling them.
You have a two. This is one. One will be coming.
Here's a Canadian mall, eh? This sounds like propaganda. Jialin in her favorite store.
They're,
Oh, it's sweet.
Beautiful music. Charlie's awake now.
used to be a picture of this at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. Say it with me. Sundobu. Sundobu. She speak. Nice.
After you.
Nice. Oh my god, just lift it up with your fingers.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh my god.
Yo, no drunken customers. No drunken customers.
Don't take my heart. Good morning. Morning 2. We woke up in Vancouver. And tour. We're at a waffle place. Already eating the food.
I'm a bad Asian.
There's a bite.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a lot of whipped cream. Thank you.
You guys like order sweet waffles?
that's good.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I
god.
got you in a house.
Wow.
Hi everybody. Stanley Park. Is this it? This is just a dock.
Stanley Park, I think.
Who knows?
This is Stanley Park. Yeah.
Stanley Park.
How confused do you have to be to be like,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I named the park.
Park.
Building, so there's not much for him to do. But they like try going to all the people's garages, and we're like, no. But he's like, not now. He just came back down to earth. So I didn't start it. Now it's like,
Ooh.
now he's having money out there, just sleeping in the apartment all day. And he's like, he knows that he's working.
Oh, garden.
Very soft.
they look almost like trees. I love the black grass too.
All right.
Ooh. Mule.
So much mule. I think that was my highlight of that night. The waitress losing her shit. This is a road, but that's who works here.
I'll show you it's a road.
Down there?
You guys still want to go over there? Oh, we just need to go to
We're just taking pictures of Miles.
Yeah.
Are we all just taking pictures of Miles?
Everyone get your cameras out.
Vancouver Aquarium.
An aquarium.
What do you mean, are they real?
Like they're not fake plastic floaty thingies.
No, they're real. Anemones are real.
Are those are those sea urchins? God, I've eaten its gold.
Yeah, this GoPro got charged. We're at the night market. Look.
It's a night market. Oh, we got a picture of the duck.
Ducks.
Like tomato ring, like onion pancake kind of.
No.
Kimchi beef wrap. Oh.
All I got was kimchi.
Oh. So.
Oh, okay, yeah, do that.
How do I make it look good? Whoa.
Ooh.
Wait, Jialin, you have to react.
It's labeled as.
Oh, this is where the rainbow churro. Miles reacts too.
Yep.
Oh wow. How weird. Oh wait, no.
Pose, pose, pose.
It's a video.
It's a video, don't worry.
People make bullshit like Facebook events all the time. Like, go meet at the beat and scream at Donald Trump. And like, someone like goes and